Alright folks, what we got here is a Kearney and Trecker 205 S12. It's going to show you the feeds and speeds and all that kind of stuff running. So we're going to start with spindle, and then I'll make a video of feeds. So this is lowest RPM, which is 25. See, the brake works well. Now I have to keep going over here and running around. And I can do all the speeds. I'm probably just going to skip through a few, but here's 30. And again, brake works great. And I'm just going to jump up some miscellaneous ones here. I'm just going to go to 65. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. Let's see, what's the speed? That was 65. I'm going to go up to 139. So you just lock it in. I'm just going over there and hitting them. We'll go up to 298. And you see the brake clutch is perfect. Let's go up to 638. You hear them shifting going on. 638. Let's go up to 1130. Yeah, we'll go 1368. Then we'll go to the top speed of 2000. Just look at that clutch or brake. There's a 2000 RPM. Nice stop. So that's your spindles running on this. I'm going to go ahead and do a video of just the feet working.